This is a brand new 2013 Mazda 5. This minivan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a moonroof, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, a passenger side airbag, performance tires, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a rear parking aid, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Jenkins Mazda is conveniently located at 1740 Southwest College Road in Ocala. Contact us to find out about our financing specials or visit us at jenkinsmazda.com.